Misplay's current 2026 support information says PayPal rewards should be deposited within 48 hours of redemption when the reward is sent to an active PayPal account, so a delay doesn't automatically mean your reward is lost. Mistplay support on 1. If your Mistplay rewards stopped appearing after an update, the first thing to check is whether the issue is actually the update or whether your game tracking, reward redemption, or email delivery is causing the delay. Start inside Mistplay by opening Shop B and then My Rewards. That's where Mistplay tells you to check the status of redeemed rewards. In Mistplay, support on 1. For PayPal, check the email address connected to your Mistplay reward. If there's an active PayPal account using that email, Mistplay says the funds should arrive within 48 hours of redemption. If there isn't an active PayPal account, you may receive an email from PayPal with instructions for claiming the reward instead. Mistplay support on 1. If you're waiting for a gift card rather than PayPal, check the email address attached to your Mistplay profile. Mistplay says redeemed rewards are sent to the app-linked email, and its support documentation says gift card providers handle delivery. Mistplay support on 1. Now check whether your game is still tracking correctly. Mistplay says rewards can slow down or stop when a game was previously installed on your device, when the game wasn't launched or registered within 7 days of installation, when the developer can't verify the installation, or when a network error affects attribution. Mistplay support on 3. That matters after an app update because what looks like a reward problem can actually be a tracking problem. If you're using Misplay's newer checkpoint system, there is another possibility. Some checkpoints have time-based boosts, and Mistplay says the boosted amount automatically drops to the standard reward when the timer expires. That's a feature rather than an app error. Mistplay support on 4. Also check your email's spam or junk folder. Mistplay lists Noraply at tangocard.com. Mail to Noraply at tangocard.com and Noraply at mistplay.com. Mail to Noraply at mistplay.com. For gift card communications, Mistplay support on 5. If your reward still hasn't arrived, don't redeem the same reward again while waiting. Check Me Rewards, verify your email or PayPal details, and then contact Mistplay support with the relevant redemption information. The key points are simple. PayPal rewards can take up to 48 hours. Game tracking can affect new earnings, and email delivery can make a completed reward look missing. For your next step, open Shop My Rewards and check the redemption status before changing anything on your account. If this fixed your Mistplay reward issue, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app reward guides.